Hi, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? This time, my brother Hedera will fails down in last 24 hours. So I make this special video for all my viewers, my subscribers to understand better and do this. I hope, my brother, you will never lose and you will be get a very good profit. So please, my friends, before you take any risk, do this. I hope, my brothers, you will be safe from the loss. My brother, this time the rank as 59 and absolutely USD price is 0.210437 USD dollar. So this time absolutely, my friend, the price is increasing now. In last 1 hour also, my friend, the price will moving upward, but in all month, as you can see, my brother, the price is very fastly moving upward. So you don't feel, my brother, if they will fail us down in last 24 hours. So this is short fail. Absolutely all coin, my friend, will fail us down for a short time, not for a long time. So definitely I am 100% sure, my brothers, to after this jumps, after this fails, they will also wake up and they will give you a profit. So kindly holder, if you have any plan to invest more, so go now, invest now. I hope, my brother, they will give you a profit now. Definitely, my friends, you can see here after this fails, they will wake up, the arrow is moving in upward direction. So that's clear, my brothers, to upcoming time they will give you a profit. So kindly, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think and those days all crypto market is wake up. So kindly, it's a profit time, my brothers. Please don't, without any doubt, please invest now. I will give you guarantee to they will give you a profits. I am also, my friend, invest now. And please, if you have any plan to invest, so please you also go now and invest now. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and subscribe channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.